Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Dodge Caravan. First, always check for a spare key. It's the easiest solution. If not, walk around your vehicle and try every door, including the rear hatch, as one might be unlocked. If these simple steps don't work, contacting roadside assistance is a smart and safe next move. They often have tools to help without causing damage. If you're comfortable with DIY methods, a wedge or an inflatable airbag can be useful to create a small opening at the top of the door frame. Then, a straightened coat hanger or a long reach tool can be maneuvered inside to hook the door lock mechanism or press the unlock button. Remember to proceed with extreme caution to prevent any damage to your vehicle's paint, whether stripping or internal wiring. Knowing when to call a professional is crucial. If you don't have the right tools or feel unsure about the DIY methods, it's always best to contact a certified locksmith. Attempting to force a lock open can lead to costly damage to your door, window, or locking system. Locksmiths possess specialized equipment and expertise to unlock your caravan safely and efficiently. To avoid future lockouts, always keep a spare key handy, perhaps with a trusted friend or family member. Another excellent option is a magnetic key holder, securely placed in a discreet spot on your vehicle's exterior. These simple precautions can save you time and stress. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.